now at City Center. We are now at some temple at Ipoh. The temple name is obviously he don't know. And look at the surroundings. And it's actually under a mountain. Yeah, you can see the mountain is here. Yes, it's legit a mountain top. Before the temple, obviously selfie time. Behind the scene, my niece and my nephew, and this my boyfriend doing the photographer. Look. Okay guys, look at this. We are giving this tomato to the puppies. Okay, so let's go. Fatty, how's your experience leading? How's your experience leading the?
I think it's amazing. Once in a lifetime experience. I would strongly encourage everybody to at least drop by Ipoh to actually come and see some turtle. Yeah. I'm going on.
Currently, we're going to we're going to where?
Pasar Malam.
It's like Pasar Malam in Singapore. Fatty, how are you feeling today? How's the weather?
The weather is amazing. It's a bit cold here.
Cold? Oh my god, he's just talking about shit. Anyway,
I'm not bringing out a leather jacket.
Anyway, if you realize, my beeline gone. Been eating these few days, one day 6 meals per day. Yep, and it's super fat. Okay, the traffic here is rabak. Mommy!
You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world.
Guys, so this is Cheng Heng, Malaysia Cheng Heng, and look what I found inside. There's a queen egg. Oh my god. Okay guys, we're going to put what? We're going to put the fireworks right now. Oh my god, outside our house. Yeah, exactly. Real legit. Yes, so we are now preparing.